Hey there, food lovers! We all know that sticking to a diet can be tough, especially when those cravings hit and you're trying to cut calories. But what if I told you there are foods that can help you stay full, satisfied, and on track with your goals without adding many calories at all? Welcome to Fit Body Free Mind. Today, we're diving into the world of low-calorie foods. 19 of them to be exact. That is so light on calories, they might as well be considered free. These foods taste amazing, fill you up, and keep you from feeling deprived so you can enjoy your meals while burning off those stubborn love handles and extra belly fat. From crunchy veggies to juicy fruits and everything in between, these foods are your best friends when it comes to dieting. So let's jump right in and explore these delicious, almost zero-calorie options that will make your weight loss journey a breeze. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a fantastic addition to any weight loss diet thanks to their impressive nutritional profile. With a high water content of about 95%, cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and low in calories, containing only about 16 calories per cup. This makes them an ideal snack or salad ingredient that can help you feel full without adding extra calories to your daily intake. Additionally, cucumbers have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for those looking to maintain stable energy throughout the day. The natural compounds found in cucumbers can aid in managing insulin levels, which is crucial for weight management. For maximum health benefits, we encourage you to consume cucumbers unpeeled, as the skin contains valuable fiber that promotes digestive health and enhances satiety. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles are an excellent low-calorie food option that can be a game changer for those looking to lose weight. Unlike regular pasta, which can pack in hundreds of calories per serving, shirataki noodles contain virtually no calories, making them a fantastic alternative for calorie-conscious eaters. The secret lies in their primary ingredient, konjac yam, which is rich in glucomannan, a type of soluble fiber. This fiber not only aids digestion, but also contributes to a feeling of fullness, helping to curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. By incorporating shirataki noodles into your meals, you can enjoy a satisfying and hearty dish without the guilt associated with traditional pasta. Sugar-free Jell-O. Sugar-free Jell-O is an excellent low-calorie dessert option that satisfies your sweet tooth without derailing your weight loss efforts. With a mere 10 calories per serving, it's a guilt-free treat that allows you to indulge without the added sugars and calories found in traditional desserts. One of the standout benefits of sugar-free Jell-O is its primary ingredient, gelatin, which has appetite-suppressing properties. This means that enjoying a serving can help curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. Additionally, sugar-free Jell-O is incredibly convenient. It can be easily packed and taken on the go, making it a perfect snack for busy days. Slim Rice is another fantastic low-calorie carbohydrate option that can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. When compared to brown rice, which typically contains around 215 calories per cooked cup, Slim Rice boasts a mere 10 calories per serving, making it an incredibly light alternative. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to reduce their calorie intake without sacrificing the satisfaction of a hearty meal. Additionally, Slim Rice is gluten-free, catering to those with dietary restrictions while offering versatility in various dishes. You can easily incorporate it into stir-fries, salads, or soups, enhancing your meals without adding unnecessary calories. For a filling and nutritious option, consider pairing Slim Rice with steamed vegetables. This combination not only provides essential nutrients, but also creates a satisfying dish that keeps you full and energized throughout the day, making it a perfect addition to your healthy eating plan. Watermelon is an exceptional low-calorie fruit choice that can be a refreshing addition to your diet, especially during warmer months. With only about 30 calories per 100 grams, it's one of the most hydrating fruits available, consisting of approximately 92% water. This high water content not only helps keep you hydrated, but also contributes to a feeling of fullness, making it easier to manage your appetite and support weight loss efforts. The natural sweetness of watermelon can satisfy your cravings for sugary snacks without the added calories, allowing you to indulge guilt-free. Additionally, watermelon is rich in vitamins A and C as well as antioxidants, which can enhance your overall health. Celery is an excellent low-calorie vegetable option that can enhance your diet while supporting your weight loss goals. With a remarkable water content of about 95%, celery is incredibly hydrating and contains only about 16 calories per cup, making it a perfect snack for those looking to cut calories without sacrificing volume. Beyond its low-calorie count, celery offers a range of health benefits, including being a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Its natural crunch provides a satisfying texture that can curb cravings for less healthy snacks. We encourage you to snack on celery sticks, whether on their own or paired with healthy dips like hummus or guacamole. Zucchini is an excellent low-calorie pasta alternative that can transform your meals while supporting your weight loss journey. One of the most popular ways to enjoy zucchini is by spiralizing it into noodles, often referred to as zoodles. This simple technique creates a fun and nutritious substitute for traditional pasta. While a cup of cooked pasta can contain around 200 calories, a cup of spiralized zucchini has only about 20 calories, making it a fantastic option for those looking to cut calories without sacrificing volume. Additionally, zucchini is rich in fiber and water, which can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a smart choice for maintaining stable energy throughout the day. Pickles are a delightful low-calorie snack option that can add a burst of flavor to your diet without piling on the calories. With an average of just 5 to 10 calories per serving, they make for a guilt-free treat that can satisfy your cravings. One of the best aspects of pickles is the wide variety of flavors available, from classic dill to spicy garlic and even sweet varieties, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. However, it's important to be mindful of the high salt content often found in pickles, which can lead to increased sodium intake. Excessive salt can cause bloating and water retention, so moderation is key. To enjoy pickles as a healthy snack, consider balancing them with other low-sodium options and staying hydrated. Lettuce is a fantastic low-calorie vegetable that can play a significant role in your weight loss journey. Different types of lettuce, such as iceberg, romaine, and leaf lettuce, typically contain between 5 to 15 calories per cup, making them an ideal choice for those looking to reduce their calorie intake. Incorporating lettuce as a base for salads not only adds volume to your meals, but also allows you to enjoy a variety of flavors and textures without the extra calories. By choosing specific varieties like romaine or butterhead, you can enhance the nutritional value of your salads while keeping the calorie count low. These lettuces are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing essential nutrients that support overall health. Sugar-free chewing gum. Sugar-free chewing gum can be a helpful tool in your dieting efforts, offering a low-calorie option for those looking to satisfy their cravings. With only about 2 to 5 calories per piece, sugar-free gum allows you to enjoy a sweet taste without adding significant calories to your daily intake. Research has shown that chewing gum can help reduce overall calorie consumption, as it may curb hunger and decrease the desire for snacking between meals. This can be particularly beneficial for those trying to manage their weight. However, it's important to practice moderation when consuming gum, as excessive chewing can lead to digestive discomfort or jaw issues. While sugar-free gum can be a useful addition to your diet, it should not replace whole foods or balanced meals. By incorporating it mindfully, you can enjoy the benefits of sugar-free gum while still maintaining a healthy and sustainable approach to your weight loss journey. Diet soda. Diet soda is a popular low-calorie drink option that can be a refreshing alternative for those looking to reduce their calorie intake. With its calorie-free nature, diet soda allows you to enjoy a sweet, fizzy beverage without the added sugars and calories found in regular sodas, making it a potential ally in weight loss efforts. Research has shown that artificial sweeteners used in diet sodas can help satisfy cravings for sweetness while minimizing calorie consumption, which may support weight management. However, it's essential to consume diet soda in moderation. While it can be a useful tool for cutting calories, excessive consumption may lead to potential health concerns, including digestive issues or an increased desire for sweet foods. We encourage viewers to enjoy diet soda as an occasional treat while prioritizing water and other nutrient-rich beverages in their daily diet. By doing so, you can maintain a balanced approach to hydration and overall health. Radishes are a fantastic low-calorie vegetable option that can add both flavor and crunch to your meals. With only about 18 calories per cup, they are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their calorie intake while still enjoying a variety of tastes and textures. Nutritionally, radishes are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. Beyond their culinary appeal, radishes also offer health benefits for your teeth and skin. The high vitamin C content supports gum health health and can help prevent oral issues, while the antioxidants in radishes promote healthy skin by combating free radicals. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent low-calorie food option that can enhance your meals while providing a wealth of nutrients. With only about 22 calories per medium-sized tomato, they are a fantastic choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight without sacrificing flavor. Rich in vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate, tomatoes also contain powerful antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which is known for its health benefits. Research suggests that lycopene may support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure, while also promoting healthy skin by protecting against sun damage and improving skin texture. We encourage viewers to incorporate tomatoes into their meals in various ways, whether in salads, sauces, or as a topping for sandwiches and pizzas. Calorie-free dressings. Walden Farms calorie-free dressings are an excellent option for those looking to enhance their salads without adding extra calories. With a wide variety of flavors available, including ranch, balsamic vinaigrette, and Italian, these dressings allow you to enjoy a burst of taste while keeping your calorie count in check. They are perfect for drizzling over fresh greens, vegetables, or even as a marinade for proteins. However, it's important to remember that portion control is still essential even with calorie-free options. Overusing dressings can lead to an unintentional increase in sodium or other additives, which may not align with your health goals. Watercress is a remarkable low-calorie vegetable that can be a nutritious addition to your diet. With only about 11 calories per cup, it's an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight while still enjoying flavorful foods. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals, watercress offers numerous health benefits, including antioxidant properties that can help combat inflammation. Interestingly, research suggests that watercress may also improve exercise performance by enhancing blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, making it a great choice for active individuals. Low-calorie condiments. Enhancing your meals with low-calorie condiments is a fantastic way to add flavor without piling on extra calories. Some popular options include mustard, which typically contains about 5 calories per teaspoon, and hot sauce, averaging around 0 to 5 calories per serving. Additionally, balsamic vinegar has about 14 calories per tablespoon, while salsa can range from 10 to 20 calories per serving, depending on the brand. These condiments not only provide a burst of flavor, but also allow you to enjoy your favorite dishes without the guilt associated with higher calorie sauces and dressings. Kiwi is a delicious low-calorie fruit that not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also offers impressive health benefits, particularly for sleep. With only about 42 calories per medium-sized kiwi, it's a guilt-free option that can easily fit into your daily diet. Additionally, kiwi is rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. Research has shown that consuming kiwi may improve sleep quality, with studies indicating that its high antioxidant content and serotonin levels can help regulate sleep patterns. This makes kiwi an excellent option for a bedtime snack, as it can promote relaxation and enhance overall sleep quality. Bok choy is an exceptional low-calorie food choice that can enhance your meals while supporting your health goals. With only about 9 calories per cup and a high water content of approximately 95%, bok choy is a hydrating vegetable that adds volume to your dishes without adding significant calories. This makes it an ideal option for those looking to manage their weight. Its mild flavor and crunchy texture make bok choy incredibly versatile. It can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from hearty soups to fresh salads. Whether you saute it with garlic, toss it into stir fries, or enjoy it raw in salads, bok choy can elevate your meals with its nutritional benefits. Tomato soup. Tomato soup is a delightful low-calorie meal choice that can be both filling and satisfying. With an average of just 70 calories per cup, it provides a warm and comforting option without adding excessive calories to your diet. The high water content and fiber in tomatoes contribute to a feeling of fullness, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. For a simple homemade tomato soup, saute 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until soft. Add 4 cups of diced tomatoes, fresh or canned, a cup of vegetable broth, and season with salt, pepper, and basil. Simmer for about 20 minutes, then blend until smooth for a creamy texture. We encourage viewers to enjoy tomato soup as part of their diet, whether as a light lunch or a cozy dinner, as it offers a delicious way to incorporate healthy ingredients into your meals. In this video, we explored the numerous benefits of incorporating low-calorie foods into your diet, highlighting options like zucchini, radishes, and tomato soup, which can enhance your meals while supporting weight loss. These foods not only help you manage your calorie intake, but also provide essential nutrients that promote overall health. By making mindful choices, you can enjoy delicious flavors without compromising your dietary goals. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can make nutritious choices that lead to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.